Introducing a new feature on CSK to help you efficiently manage your end-of-year handovers in school. This is for school admin accounts who have access to multiple classes. From Dashboard, go into Class and click on the class that you want to hand over. Then click on Class Management, where you will be able to move children from one class to another. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and identify the child that you want to move. Select a member by ticking the box and scroll down to the bottom of the page to select the new class from the drop-down menu. Once you've selected the new class, click Move Selected Member to Selected Class. In the Back to Class section, you will be able to view the new class and its new members along with any assigned resources or programs from the previous year. You can also clear any assigned resources or programs from children, giving them a fresh start as they move into their new class. Once you have identified the child or children that you want to move, simply tick the Remove Any Assignments box, followed by Move Selected Member to Selected Class. This will remove any previous assignments and programs as you transfer users to a new class.